Hi everyone, this is Rohini and you're welcome to Astrology in Depth. Guys, whenever we go to any astrologer, in case he says like your Saturn Dasha has come, Saturn Mahadasha has come, what is your reaction? Obviously, there is so much fear associated with Saturn, like what will happen now, what to do, what not to do, which color to use, which color to avoid, which mantra to chant, which deity to pray now, what to do. So there are a lot many things associated with it. But let me tell you, relax guys, relax. Saturn is a planet that gives you the fruit of your own karmas, good or bad, but it will always give you the fruit of your own karmas. So rather than focusing on which color to avoid, which color to use, which mantra to chant and what not to do, you focus more on your own karmas. Be more persistent in your work, be more persistent in your efforts, and never behave harshly with your subordinates. It will never harm you. It will never let you down in life. So before I start, let me tell you a brief about what Saturn is. Saturn is persistent, Saturn is endurance, Saturn is your stamina of working hard, Saturn represents old age people, Saturn represents weaker sections of society, disadvantaged sections of society, Saturn represents machinery, Saturn represents oil, and Saturn represents wisdom, intuition, scientific temper, etc. etc. So guys, if Saturn is sitting in some good position in your horoscope, I mean it is sitting in your Lagna, your Kendras or your Trikonas. Kendras are 1st, 4th, 7th and 10th house, and Trikonas are 5th and 9th house. They are very significant in one's horoscope. If Saturn is sitting in any such houses and Saturn is sitting in Libra, Taurus, Aquarius or Capricorn, then it gives a very good result. It makes a person very hardworking, it makes a person very persistent. Such people are very talented, but the problem with them is that their talents are always overlooked. They are always underestimated, even for the job which they probably don't deserve. Even the job which is below their caliber, they have to struggle for it. But the good thing is that around mid 30s, the Saturn frees the person of those effects. It stops suppressing the luck of that person and gives a very good results during mid 30s. Such person get good recognition in society. Such person will get good post in government offices. Such person is becomes a very popular politician. I'll give you example. Dr. Manmohan Singh, or earlier Prime Minister, and Steve Jobs have the same placement. They have Saturn exalted in their horoscopes. So such people are very down to earth. Such people are very persistent and they never behave badly with their subordinates. One thing is for sure. And in case your Saturn is debilitated in your horoscope, it is not sitting in good position, good house, or it is not sitting in a friendly sign, so what kind of results you will be experiencing? Obviously, other planets may give you good results, but after 36 years of age or during mid 30s, they will give good effects, because a debilitated Saturn will suppress the effect of those good planets also. If other planets are not doing very well in your horoscope, Saturn will always stop them from doing it during your mid 30s. But yeah, around mid 30s, it will free such person also of the malefic effect, and the other planets will also start giving their good effects. There is a lesson, there is a karmic lesson we need to understand. When Saturn is sitting in some significant position in your horoscope, or in any house it is sitting, or any Rashi it is sitting, you have to see that it gives us the lesson related to that house. For example, if it is sitting in your family house, second house, it will make you learn the lessons related to your family. You will have to serve your family a lot. No matter what you are doing, you will always be centering around your family. You will have to work very hard. You will have to struggle with those things. In whatever house it is sitting, it will make you struggle with the things related to that house. It will deprive you of those things, but up to certain age, and after 36 years of age, it will free you of all the malefic effects. It can give you immense wealth, it can give you immense luck, immense property, and good position in real estate, good position in politics, government. So all I mean to say is, if Saturn blesses you in horoscope, no other planet can block the effect. And if Saturn is not, so guys, most important thing about Saturn to learn is that if it is sitting in a good position in your horoscope, and you are good with your subordinates, you are kind to deprived people, then it will bless you more and more. And if you behaves contrary, then the vice versa effect will be experienced. And if it is debilitated in your horoscope, it is not in good position, then you have to be extra careful not to hurt any person who is under you, not to be harsh with your subordinates, and be kind to handicapped people and the weaker sections of society. So guys, this was about Saturn, which says whatever you sow, so shall you reap. This is the main philosophy behind Saturn. Guys, I think you liked the video. You can give your valuable suggestion in comment section. So stay attuned, because in next video we'll be covering zodiac signs. Till then, goodbye.